Market conditions remaining bullish. This bull market rank has top 25 currently, so definitely extended in this trend. We're seeing the overall momentum still sitting right in that buy zone. Have actually a pretty nice looking setup on S&P 500 today. We'll take a look at that. Breadth is still stuck right there in the middle, as it has been now for several months, and also sentiment sitting at the upper end of its range as well. On the buy-sell ratio, we did see a little bit of a move back down again, 0.53. You can see that those kind of widening apart right here again. Still bears in control as far as the overall market breadth, meaning the bulk of the stocks in the database are in downtrends, and but that's 2 to 1 right now to the downside, and we're continuing to see those real large mega cap stocks ultimately rule this current trend. We do see the sentiment indicator pulled back into that 60s range, still above 50, and again, still in that overall uptrend. S&P 500 had a really nice confirmation bar, real solid-looking move where it actually gapped lower at the open and then traded higher all day and closed higher. Real solid up bar, but still stuck right in this range. So it's actually a pretty nice, tight consolidation range. When we're seeing counter trends or corrections or consolidations, the tighter the better. The tighter, the less amount of volatility just means that there's no panic happening in there. It's relatively orderly. It's also a time of season where we do see a little bit lighter volume, and so we'll watch to see if we can get a breakout of this area. We've got a shorter trading day today, and markets are closed tomorrow, so it could be some, just quiet. Could be some volatility because of the lack of volume. We'll see what the markets do for us today. In overall sectors, saw a little bit of improvement here in sectors. I'd like to see some of these downtrends move back up at least into the hold range. We are seeing a few. I think we have one more move from hold up into buy. Still really mixed though, and this is also still representative of the market as a whole as far as that breadth is concerned. Just not broad-based participation, seeing it in select sectors. Commodities, USO oil still continuing to move to the upside. Had a big day 2 days ago and a little bit of a retracement yesterday. It's approaching its upper resistance areas as well. Wouldn't be surprised to see a retracement. We're also in that momentum zone now. Again, this upper range of this current trend, we're connecting this high and this low, and this upper quarter essentially of the price chart creates a range where stocks typically will continue to have momentum and then move higher, and inside of that upper range, we'll see if that happens here for USO. We've got silver, which has had a little bit of an uptrend here yesterday, not too much, still working its way back up. I believe gold is still also in that range right here. It looks like we've got copper making some way here in that rank. At least it was climbing up there just a little bit, so could see some stability there and across those metals. If we take a look at the muscle stocks group, seeing several interesting names here. IREN, which is a crypto miner, also in the sustainable mining. They're getting a lot of attention right here. Really nice looking confirmation bar, big volume in that uptrend with a nice retracement. Interesting stock, definitely to keep your eyes on. It says oil and energy, and it's in that other category. It's in that crypto mining space, but they're also working on that entire data center model, which is, I believe, why they're getting a lot of attention right here. Also seeing aluminum having a big move right here in CENX, good confirmation bar, massive volume, and back up into the momentum zone as well. Solid looking pattern right there, and some others for you to go through and take a look at. We're seeing CIFR. You're seeing some of those crypto miners also pop back in. Those are just interesting because they are really volatile and often move, and it's a new technology and lots of demand pent up potentially there as cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin really try to find their footing in the world still. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day and a fantastic holiday. Bye now.